Hi guys, I hope you are all keeping well. I just wanted to show you what arrived from my friends at Biosynergy. Now this is one of their latest products and it's their DNA testing kit. So I personally find this really interesting and intriguing. So the first thing you need to do when your kit arrives is download the app. I have literally just done this and it is really quick, really easy, really simple, really straightforward. There's even a user guide inside, so it talks you through step by step everything you need to do. Just giving you a little bit more info about what's included and exactly what you need to do is it comes with this little sample pot. Now you need to pop in a decent sized sample of your own saliva, and I've just been reading up on it actually, and it does say that it's best to do it of a morning. So also the kit comes with a prepaid envelope. So once you've done your sample, pop it in the prepaid envelope and you pop it in the post, send it off. Then it will take about 2 to 3 weeks, something like that, for your own personal results to come back. Now you get 300 plus health report and you get about 1,000 analyzed genetic markers. So it is really interesting, really intriguing stuff about your own personal health and your own personal DNA. Also included as well, you get a free workout and free meal planner that is aligned to your own personal DNA. So it is amazing. It's really good stuff. What I'll do for you guys is I'll pop some more info onto my stories, and if you've got any questions, then you can get in touch with myself or Biosynergy Direct. And yeah, I can't wait to do mine. I'm really excited and intrigued to find out more from this DNA testing kit. Thanks guys, take care. Lots of love.